Hi, welcome to Technology Expert World. In this video, we will learn about the design of a banner. So here, we will design a YouTube banner. So here, we need to maintain the resolution for a YouTube banner, particularly the YouTube support 2048 times 1152. It's the resolution, fixed resolution for YouTube banner. So we need to maintain. First, we will just design. Here you can see, I will check some elements. Like here first we have taken a crown, so now we need to remove the background. So here you can see inside the ppt 2021 and 2024, so there the updated version is providing us the free tools for the background removal option is available here. So this, for this new feature, we don't need to buy the background remover application, so we are getting it free of cost inside this PowerPoint. So here you can see I have just transferred this ground image for a single moment. So now we will design with the flag and other elements. So what is the purpose or the importance of the banner designing? The banner design for YouTube several important purposes is like a brand identity, the impression, channel description and focus, engagement to call to action, and consistency across the platform. So here the banner as well as designed help establish and reinforce your brand identity. It's an opportunity to showcase your logo, your working principle, and a visual contact with the viewers. So here the first impression is like the banner is one of the first thing visitors see when they land on your channel. A striking and professional design helps make a positive first impression, enticing viewers to explore your content further. Channel description focus on a banner can communicate what your channel is about, whether it's through text or visuals. It gives a clear message on the type of content you produce, whether it's gaming, beauty, tech, and any other niche. So the engagement depends on the banner and the thumbnail. The thumbnail is really very effective for YouTube content. So where you need to describe little things, what you are going with or you are doing inside the content of the video. So here you can see the main things is the design of banner. So you can see here we have clearly set the images. Here 3 images has been set up or overlapping up each other. So first the crown image, then come to the flag, Australian flag, and now come to the background sky color. We have chosen the falling down or evening time image. So and now here we are putting down a city image. So these types of things you can add it inside the banner designing when you are designing a banner professionally. There are several things you can do. So here you can see we have just removed the background sky from this image. So how did you do that? So just mark the position with the single line. So you need to go through with the single line and it will give you the perfect background removing facility. So here you can see that what the things I'm using in this tutorial. So I hope this video will be helpful for your learning purpose, and the banner you can design by your own. If there is any problem or you want to make more complex banner, or if you need any kinds of suggestion or you want particularly any design you want to propose to make, so just feel free to contact us. We will give you the contact details inside the description of this video. So I hope you have already got the things we are going through on it. The background, actually the sky has been captured. To remove the background from this image, so now you can see here I have just draw down a line to remove the sky from the background of the building. Now it's perfectly move the background. Now we will select the things. Still we need to capture, we want to put the part of the image. Still you're trying to save these things, and now it can remove perfectly. Just keep it and get the image. Now you can see how pretty look has been come on this image. Now we will go forward with banner. So I hope this type of design will be helpful for your purpose or your channel or your brand quality. You can increase, you can enlarge. So go forward with it. Is there any kinds of correction you would like to choose? Join us and join our community, Facebook community. So goodbye for now. See you again for the next video.